Good day to you from wherever you are watching this video. I'm Otitoloye by name, which simply means trustworthy, while some people prefer to call me Mr. Trust. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of watching any of my videos, I say welcome, and please don't forget to press subscribe button. How women attract their friends or second wives for their husband is an interesting topic. I could remember during the year 2023 when I listed this topic among the topic we treated during that year. An Igbo woman came to my comment section and asked, how could this be possible? How can women attract other women for our husband? Where every one of us knows that women never like other women beside their husband or to share their husband with other women. But we all know rivalry is something that everyone detests because nobody like rivals. Or do you like rivals? Be it a man or women, even our God who created us does not like rivals. Because in the Holy Book, the Quran, it says, La tushriki billahi inna shirka la zulmin azim. You not worship any other God other than Allah, because if you do, you've committed a great sin against God. And the Bible too also said, Exodus 22:20 says, whoever sacrifices to any other God except the Lord must be destroyed. For us to know that even God who created us hates rivals. Talk more of we, his creatures. Do any one of us like rivals? No. If you set up a business now and someone also come and set up beside you, you've gotten a rival, definitely you will not be happy. You'll be looking for every means to make sure you overpower your rival in terms of sex. Now, women hate other women beside their husband because we all know what may come as the outcome of this when their husband is moving along with other women. And because of this, many women, we accuse them of being too jealous, which is normal thing because we all have that symptoms in our body. We are jealous of something, even where there are two bosses in a place. One will be comfortable, the other one will not be comfortable. Why? Because he might be thinking the second boss might be what? Better than him. It is obvious that from what we are seeing, that men cannot stick with one woman or a lady. Why? Because we see our men chasing after many girls or ladies today. And that has made our ladies to term men as cheats. That a man is a cheat. They believe every man cheats. Some of them are saying men cannot have heaven or men may not make heaven. I even wonder if women too say they will make heaven, because every one of us in this world now has indulged in one or two things that cannot make us to make heaven, except if we are lying to ourselves. And now, women consider men as cheats. They believe men cheats. Men chases after what is in skirt or what they see. Now, this is the belief of every woman now. But the truth of the matter is that not every man that is a cheat, because there are some men naturally they feel like sticking with whosoever is their partner. They are contented with whatsoever she has, and they are ready to be with her for life. There are some cases whereby our women are the one forcing these men to what? To look elsewhere, searching for another woman or a girlfriend, which is part of what we are going to watch. We are going to be discussing in this program titled How Women Attract Girlfriends or Second Wives for Their Husband. Because as it is today, men can be satisfied with a woman, or a woman cannot satisfy some men. Because even in the Holy Books, particularly in the Holy Quran stated that men can marry 4 wives. It started from 2, 3, 4, before it now says 1, if you don't have the capacity or ability or the capability to take care of this number of wives it mentions. Even the Bible, in the Old Testament, there are stories of great men that married more than 1 wives. If not for the New Testament that they say one wife for one man. And which every one of us knows that this has not been helping in so many homes, because after having that one woman in the house, these same men chase other women outside there. They have girlfriends or baby mama out there. Is it working? That is man's nature. Man's nature goes for many women, and we are trying to compose ourselves by saying, okay, let me stick with one woman, which is what we are doing today. And if we are to look at it critically, is this working for us? Why is it not working? Because we know that some men naturally, whether you satisfy them, you do not satisfy them with everything, they will still cheat, because some men, it is not their brain that is controlling them, it is what is in their trouser that is guiding them. What they see, they go with what they see. Once they see something that attracts them, or they are attracted to, they don't think again. Whatsoever what is in their trouser lead them, wherever it leads them, they begin to follow. That is for some men. And not all men are like this. There are some men, they think before they act, which is very important, because before you do anything in this world, first thing, reason. What I want to do, does it make sense? How does it sound to the ears of thousands of people out there if it gets out? You know, that is the more reason why some of our ladies, they are not helping matters. And in order to let these faithful men, the few faithful men we have, to stick to them, but instead, they stitches them out to search for other ladies other than them that they've already married. You know, this is the topic we are going to be treating, and I would like us to subscribe to this channel, because this is just an introduction. And this topic is going to be in volume 1, volume 2, volume 3. That is how it will continue. How women attract girlfriends or second wives for their husband. Please stay tuned. So, this is what we are going to be looking at. Please like this video and subscribe. Let the YouTube algorithm know that yes, people are interested in this video, so that they will also suggest the video to other people and also encourage us to do more. Thank you.